Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to design a stunning Instagram post just by using Canva. Whether you are an influencer or a business owner, Instagram is one of the most effective platforms to promote your brand. Canva is a great tool that makes designing Instagram posts easier and faster than ever. So let's get started. The first step is to choose the right template for your Instagram post. Canva has a wide range of templates specifically designed for Instagram. You can choose from different categories such as food, travel, fashions, and many more. Once you have selected your category, you can choose from the variety of templates that best suit your needs. And here for Instagram post, you can select your category, and here are some suggestions for you. Let's go with the Instagram post about the food. Just click on the food. You can select the template. You can just select the template just by clicking on it. And then you need to click on the customize this template. Now it's time to customize your design. You can change the background, add images, text, and icons to your design just by clicking on it. You can change the color on the background. You can also change the text from here. You can change the text from here just by double clicking on that and write your own text. You can add your own social handles from here. You can change the number. It is very essential to optimize your design for Instagram so that it looks professional and attracts more engagement. Finally, it's time to download your design and post it on the Instagram. Canva allows you to download your design in different formats such as JPEG, PNG, and PDF as well. Just click on download, and from here you can select the format and just click on download. And there you have it. Once you have downloaded your design, you can upload it to your Instagram account. So that's it guys. Designing Instagram posts in Canva is super easy and fun. With its user-friendly interface and vast library of images, icons, and graphics, you can create stunning Instagram posts in no time. So go ahead and give it a try and let us know how it goes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos like this.